Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at Burlington's and I'm in the kids section. I'm going to see what they have new over here. They have a cute Puma t-shirt. They have several different styles. They have this super cute flip sequin dream hoodie, a blessed shirt, this cute love shirt. And all these clothes are between $4.99 and $11.99. Be Kind. That's pretty. I like the holographic font. Adidas. A little crew neck sweatshirt. A little LOL doll. Love with a unicorn on the O. They have a lot of these where it's like a little fashion shirt. Blessed, Oshkosh. Little flowers, a champion shirt. Look how cute this champion shirt is. I love the lettering on that. It's so cute. Looks like they have a lot of these floral hoodies that have different sayings on them. Some more Puma. I like this one. It comes with a keychain, a flip sequin keychain. It says Dream. And the Dream is flip sequins as well. So usually they have the same clothes items in all the different sizes. Then over here they have this super cute little backpack. It looks like a bear with a flower crown. And they have a lot of scrunchies. And these velvet scrunchies with the little bows are super cute.